What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm back again with another review for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan 10 cements on deck. Yes, that's right. We're about to get into a detailed review. Quick review because you guys can see what the shoe looks like, and I'm about to show you guys what they look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. Jordan 10s. A lot of people do not like Jordan 10s, but I must say this colorway is pretty kind of clean. You know what I'm saying? It's not the best shoe in the world, but it's a clean looking shoe in my opinion. Of course, I'm here to give you guys these reviews. That's why I got this shoe for you guys, so you guys can see if you like them or not. Let's get straight into the box. It does come in your OG 10 box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 10 Retro. The colorway is light smoke gray black. Retails $190. These release on July 28th. Bow, let's get into these babies real quick, man. Starting off, you guys can see shoe features a nice cement print. You got your paint splatter and that white and that black, and you got your gray. You know what I'm saying? You got your splatter all throughout the upper of the shoe. They're trying to resemble, of course, the cement print that's like on the cement 4s. As for quality, I say the quality is real nice, man. When you push in, you guys can see the leather's nice and soft, gives you that wrinkly effect. Leather's on point, I must say. When I push down, take a look, nice and soft, man. The leather is nice, I must say, on the shoe. Going up, you got your black rope laces. You got your Air Jordan 23 on the tongue. You got a leather tongue. You got your elastics, of course, in black. Now, take a look at the midsole. You got your paint splatter with your cement print all throughout the upper. You got your white. I love this white in the bottom. It makes the shoe just pop. That's one thing I must say. I like this white right here. This is nice. Nice touch for the summer. Take a look at the medial. Same as the lateral. You got your cement print on the upper with your cement on the midsole with your paint splatter. All right, let's take a look at the back. Back of the shoe. Black Jumpman, black pull tab. You guys can see. Now, inside, they did give us on the inner soles, as you can see. You got your black inner sole with your infrared Jumpman, and then this one does have your 23. That's a nice touch with your all white inner sole. I like that a lot. You guys saw the inner soles. Now let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe. You got your white, black, and you got your infrared Jumpman right there. And all your achievements, of course, from 1985 to 1984 and beyond. All right. That's basically it, guys. Yeah. Let's just check out what they look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Gave you guys a quick overlook of these Air Jordan 10 cements that release July 28th. Hit that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can see more videos like these. And don't forget, hit the notification bell. And yeah, it's your boy Diaz Dan, man. And I'm gone.
Yeah. Sometimes it be the people closest to you. Your right hand man, your best friend.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Be the same ones plotting on you, trying to take your place. Lord, all came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. You was doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. You changed on me. Changed on me. You changed on me. Why? If it came down to it, would've let you throw that weight on me. That weight on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. I don't deserve it. If you wasn't my brother, then they wouldn't hurt me. But I got a purpose. You just starting on bitches cause you really thirsty. And I'm really working. I'ma go get the crown cause I'm really worthy. That you in my circle. Now you plotting no robbing, so we gotta murk you, boy. I ain't never wanna hurt you, boy. Force my hand and don't have to. Street smart, couldn't learn in the classroom. You been trapping, but I flew right past you. If it's really all a part of the plan, then sorry mama, you was right. Cause you told me not to hang out with them killers, I almost died the same night. Lost some niggas, I survived, so wishing they life would revive. Reminiscing about the times, we ain't had much with it all combined. I got a lot of shit on my mind, I just don't know how to let it out. I was sick first, but I'm better now. You built the coach, how to sell me out. All came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's